Grab your acrylic markers because today we are going to paint an abstract tropical bird. We have used Mona Lisa stretched canvas, Edding acrylic markers and 3D double liner acrylic markers, artisanal brushes and Kohinoor graphite pencils. So let's begin. First, draw an outline of tropical birds. Now bifurcate the features into different shapes and patterns. With the help of acrylic markers, fill the shapes with different colors. Use the 3D acrylic marker for thicker and 3D outlines. You can also use them like an acrylic paint and create different shades of colors. Use the fine edge of the 3D acrylic marker for eyes, borders and final touches. Tada! Your abstract tropical bird is ready. Do share your artwork by tagging Till with Art Lounge. See you in next technical video.